we have to act. We have to act fast. We have to act and achieve. Always remember, it's a cliche, but let me just say it again. In a journey of 1,000 miles, there's always a first step. But there is always a first step. And finally, sa dami ng opportunities na yan, sometimes you will fail, sometimes you will succeed. But what is important is we will try, and we will try.
Sabi ko nga, kaya nagtagal dito sa Santras, mahal natin ang ating trabaho. Focus lang, enjoy the journey. At the end of the tunnel, may reward tayong makukuha. Salamat, Santras!
Masasabi ko ang buhay ko sa Santras ay sobrang exciting. Pero sa mga anak ko na napatapos ko, doon ko po nakikita ang paghihirap ko na ginawa sa Santras. Santras is my family.
Ladies and gentlemen, our appreciation for your efforts, love, loyalty, dedication, and commitment to stay with Santras. We love you.
Start strong. Try.
So our dear Santrastis, always remember, we are here for you to provide you infinite possibilities, infinite opportunities.
You rise up.
Noon talaga, ang una kong in-applyan dito ay ABSM. Nagtyaga pa rin ako, nagmamaning ako, kahit nga nilalaglag na ako sa motor, patuloy pa rin. So I'm very grateful talaga na naandito pa rin ako. Tyaga lang.
We are young, we are strong, we can rise and overcome, we will rise.
Today, we will give you our military respect as presented by the cadets in front of you, and the management and staff of the company will give you this best one-of-a-kind 1-minute applause.
We are young, we are strong, we can rise and overcome, we will rise.
You always remind yourself that you are limitless. Your capacity is limitless. It is beyond the bounds of whatever you see up front. Iisipin mo palagi, meron ka pang magagawa. then you will achieve your goals. Your success, therefore, in Santras and in your career, lies on your hands. And with that, I wish you all good luck.